Hi friends, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. I'm working on a question real quick that's on the Facebook group. Nick is talking about a case where he's got a 12-inch thick brick structural wall that for some reason is not connecting when he draws a 4-inch wall uh, through this, and it's not allowing, for some reason it's not creating, it's not building the room. So I just wanted to show you what I'm doing here. A couple different ways you can do it. I've got the 12-inch structural wall, and I'm just going to draw a 2x4 interior wall, so to speak, like that. I still have rooms defined, interior and exterior. If I want to align that with that inside of the wall, like you've got drawn, I still have the room drawn, interior and exterior. And what I'm doing to prove that the room is drawn is just clicking inside the room, and that's gray, and that's gray. And now outside the room, I'm going to tab, and I get that gray following the exterior, the shape of the exterior room. Another way to do this is go back to my 12-inch brick wall. I'm just going to hit select the wall, and one of these child tools down here is the break wall, add break, which I can do by using the number 3 on my keyboard, on my hotkeys. So I'm going to hit the number 3 and click here, hit the number 3 and click here. I'm going to select this and just open that and change wall type. I could do that as a siding 4 if I wanted, and drag that to the inside. We'll throw in a door like that. And once again, I still have my rooms available. So I'm not sure why it's not building rooms for you. The only thing I would just double check is make sure when you open these wall specifications, you don't have something like no room definition checked on all of them, on all of the walls. So you can do that quickly by going into wall mode and shift drag across here, and that will select all of the walls, nothing else, just walls. So you can open that up and make sure no room definition is blank in that. I hope that's helpful. I'm not quite sure what else to tell you. It should do it just fine. No problem with that arrangement you've got set up. Now, to do that, the picture, you would have to create a second floor and just make that wall go all the way across here. So there's that look, and play with the ceiling height of first floor to get, get all that stuff. That's how I would do it. I hope that's helpful. If you like this, click like and subscribe. Let me know what you think.